Hey my beautiful roses, welcome back to my channel. Be real with me for a second here. How many times have you walked into class and instantly started doubting yourself? Like, do I look okay? Am I saying the right thing? Or are they judging me? Girl, we've all been there. But listen, that ends today. Because confidence? It's not magic, and it's not reserved for the popular girls or the pretty ones. It's a skill, and once you learn it, you'll never let self-doubt run your life again. In this video, I'm spilling the real secrets to being that girl, the one who walks in and owns any place without even trying. So, if you're ready to shut down overthinking and finally step into your main character era, keep watching, babe. Because this might be the last confidence video you'll ever need. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get confident. Number 1. The secret to unstoppable confidence. Okay, roses, let me put you on a little something. The biggest secret to confidence is not makeup, it's not outfits, and not even followers. It's self-trust. Think about it, if your best friend kept breaking promises to you, you'd stop trusting her, right? Well, babe, that's what happens when you keep breaking promises to yourself. You say, I'll wake up early tomorrow. But when tomorrow comes, you snooze your alarm. You say, I'll drink water first thing in the morning. Yet you get distracted and grab your phone. You say, I'm done texting my toxic friends. And then here you are, texting them back. Every time you do that, your brain stops trusting you. And that, roses, is why you don't feel confident. But here's the glow-up move I'll teach you. Learn to start small and keep tiny promises. Like, drink 1 glass of water when you wake up. Write down one thing you love about yourself every day. Finish that little task you've been putting off. When you actually do what you said you would, your brain starts to see you as reliable. And reliable equals confident. And roses, this changed my life. I used to make huge promises like, I'll change my whole life in 1 week. And then I'd fail and feel worse. But when I started small, like just making my bed every morning or actually drinking water first thing, suddenly I felt unstoppable. Because confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about stacking little wins until you feel like you can handle anything. Number 2, stop overthinking and start winning. Okay, roses, let's talk about the villain of confidence. Overthinking. You know that moment when you walk into a room and suddenly your brain is like a toxic TikTok comment section and you start wondering, do they like me? Did I say something dumb? What if I mess up? Like, babe, let's not do that ever again. Here's the truth. Most of the time, people aren't even thinking about you. They're too busy worrying about themselves. Literally everyone is in their own head. Now, let me put you on to a mindset flip that changed my life. Instead of asking, do they like me? I ask, do I even like them? Instead of stressing, what if I embarrass myself? I go, at least I'm bold enough to try. Because roses, when you overthink, you put yourself on the sidelines. You sit back, quiet, invisible, while other girls are out there taking chances and winning. Not because they're smarter, but because they didn't overthink it. Let me tell you a quick story. I used to overthink uploading YouTube videos. I would edit, delete, and edit again. I would sit there worrying. What if people find this cringe? What if nobody watches? And guess what? I wasted time. The ones who just posted without caring, they grew, they learned, they kept increasing. And that's when it hit me. Overthinking is expensive. It costs you opportunities. So here's how I fixed it. The 5-second rule. The moment you think of doing something, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just do it before your brain talks you out of it. Don't think too much. Reframe failure. If whatever you do flops, it's not embarrassing, it's data. You learn, you adjust, and you try again. Now, roses, confidence is not, I'll wait until I feel ready. Confidence is, I'll do it even while I'm nervous. That's how you win. So from today, no more sitting on the sidelines. Stop overthinking and start playing the game. Because while you're worrying about what might go wrong, the confident girls are already out there making it happen. Number 3, say no and defend yourself. Okay, roses, let's talk about the hardest word in the dictionary for a lot of girls, saying no. Here's the thing. If you can't say no, your confidence will never grow. Because every time you say yes to something you don't want, you're saying no to yourself. And that is not the vibe. Now, saying no doesn't have to be rude. It's about being clear, firm, and respectful. Hear me out, okay? If your friend says, can you do my homework? You can say, no, I can't. I've got my own stuff to handle. If someone pressures you to go out when you don't want to, say, no, not today, I need rest. If a person makes a joke that crosses the line, say, that's not funny to me. Don't do that. See how short and clean that is. No fake excuses. No over-explaining, just straight to the point. And let me tell you something. When you start saying no confidently, people might test you. They'll be like, oh, you've changed. But that's the goal, bestie. You're setting boundaries and you're valuing yourself. So roses, practice your no. Say it in the mirror. Say it in your head. And when it's time, deliver it with your chest. That's not mean. That's self-respect. And confidence without self-respect doesn't exist. Number 4, walk in like you own it. Alright, roses, let's talk about entrances. Because the way you walk into a room sets the entire vibe. Here's what you need to do. Posture check. Shoulders back, spine straight, chin slightly up. No slouching, because slouching screams insecure. But good posture screams confident girl. Walk slow, not dragging but not rushing either. Rushing says, I don't want to be seen. Confident girls take their time. Every step says, I deserve to be here. Eye contact, not creepy staring but quick glances. Look at people like you've got nothing to hide. Pair it with a soft smile too. For your hands, don't fidget. Don't hug yourself. Either let your arms swing naturally, hold a bag, or lightly touch your phone. Keep it chill. Pace your breathing. When you breathe slow, you look calm. That calm energy makes people see you as in control. And roses, here's a cheat code. Pretend you're walking to a background music. I'm serious. Pick a song in your head, maybe a K-pop song, you know? One of your favorites. Walk like that song is playing just for you. And remember, a confident body language eats up the whole room without saying a word. Number 5, dress to boost your confidence. Okay, roses, let's talk about fashion because the way you dress literally decides how you feel. Clothes are not just fabric, they're energy. So, here's what you should do. Choose fit over price. You don't need designers to look confident. If it fits your body right, you'll look put together instantly. Baggy where it's not meant to be is an instant confidence killer. Pick well-fitting clothes to unlock your confidence. Colors matter. Want to feel bold? Red or black? Want to give a soft girl energy? Pastels and neutrals colors are perfect. If you want to glow, find the colors that match your skin undertone. Wear colors that make you pop, not wash you out. Have a signature piece. Every confident girl has that one piece she never fails in. It could be gold hoops, a cute mini bag, sneakers that hit every time, or even a lip gloss. That one piece becomes your armor. Mine is a black tote bag, this in particular. I put them on and instantly, I'm in main character mode. Dress for the vibe you want, not the vibe you're in. If you're feeling lazy, don't wear your lazy clothes. Dress how you want to feel, powerful, feminine, put together. Your outfit sets the tone before you even say a word. Number 6, go from shy girl to that girl. Okay, roses, let's talk about how you can go from shy girl to that girl. Because I wasn't always confident, and I know some of you are where I used to be. So, let's make that mindset switch of, I hope they like me, to the confident girl mindset of, do I even like them? And listen, confidence doesn't mean you suddenly talk louder or become the life of the class. No, confidence is quiet, it's soft, it's sitting pretty, knowing you're enough. Here's a step-by-step guide, okay? Stop apologizing for existing. Don't say sorry just for taking up space. Say, excuse me instead. Switch the script. Instead of worrying what they think, ask what you think about them instead. Celebrate small wins. Every time you speak up, every time you show up, it's a glow up. Celebrate it. Fake it until it feels real. Even if you don't feel confident yet, act like it. Your brain will catch up, trust me. Roses, the day you stop begging for approval is the day you become that girl. So always remember, confidence isn't about being loud or perfect. It's about being real, protecting your peace, and showing up like you're already the main character. You can go from shy girl to that girl quick. Because the most confident girl in the room, it's not the prettiest one. It's the one who's just being herself. You're that girl, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And please hit subscribe before you miss out, because I am not gatekeeping any glow-up secrets this year.